Hi guys, today, welcome back to my Redstone tutorials again. Today is another elevator. Sadly that one will not work for this old version. It's for Minecraft 1.10. Right, you can add as many floors as you want to this. I'm only going to show you how to add 2 and you can add as many as you want. So, how this elevator works, you stand in it and just hit that button. Look, we're on the next floor. If I go in it, you're on floor 2. If I hit it again, you're on floor 3. Hit it again, we're on floor 4. Hit it again, we're on floor 5. And if you hit it again, we're on floor 6 if you wanted to add floor 6. You don't take you down, it only takes you up. Almost died there. I'll show you what happens if you do. This is what will happen if I do it again. Look, I'll show you. See? You die. And you will be able to get your bits back though. And right, and today, let's get into the tutorial now. But, right, let's get into it now. Right, the materials you're going to need is 1 redstone dust, 1 redstone repeater, 1 piston, 1 sticky piston, 1 button of your choice, and 64 blocks of your choice. Let's get started. Right, there is no digging to do. All you need to do is make a 3 blocks high, then space 3 blocks high. One piston, 2 blocks high. Now you with your button, that's 1 button, but I've only got 2. Right. This will be where your piston will go. You do want to destroy that block. After you put that in, destroy that block. Right. Next. Oh, get back up there. I know. Right. And you get on there. Place a block there. And on there you put in your redstone repeater, bit of redstone, and then you're going to need to craft something. You need a crafting table. And that'll get you 6 slabs. Yeah, then place your block there. You don't have to crouch, but Mr. Crayfish did anyway. You don't have to crouch if you don't want to. And a bit I like to do is place a block there. Then there you go, and you hit that. Takes you up to your next level. Right, then I'm going to build this one more time. By the way, in this next bit, I'll be doing this bit in creative mode. Right, you place another 3 blocks. You could probably craft it. I thought I'd craft all the blocks you needed. And after you do this, then crouch, place blocks on the redstone we placed, then place your button. Then we'll get out a sticky piston, which I forgot. And I didn't even forget my piston. Then place that there. Right, don't place a block under there, because this will push that up if you do. And that's not what we want. Then block on top of that. Block there. Place your redstone repeater. Then place your block. And that is 2 levels complete. And the bit you're going to need to do after is a slab. Have I adjusted that repeat? No. And now you have your 2 levels you wanted. Now you have your levels. And the last final bit is place your block there, try to get there. And that's how to build the elevator. If you want, you can style like this by place a bit of oak wood. Thought I'd show you how to style that up. I built the first bit in survival for you. I built all that in survival, guys. If you want to watch that video, I could link it in the description. This is a very advanced tutorial, by the way. And I hope that was helpful. And please like and subscribe. And right, that's it.